Hey, it's freezing.
Oh, what do you need? Hot tea, coffee,
Lip gloss.
In this video, I'm going to be doing my hair, makeup, and an outfit fall edition. We're gonna be reinstalling this closure wig. I thought it was a frontal, but girl, I don't know how I forgot that it's only a closure wig. I don't know, is this wig giving fall or is it giving winter vibe? Regardless, I really like it still. So even though it's a closure, I'm still gonna make it look really nice. I was thinking of like maybe putting layers in this or cutting it a little bit shorter because it's at like an awkward length right here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So as you guys can see, someone was cussing me the other day on TikTok because I was talking about like beauty standards, and then she's like, you could never speak on beauty standards and your wig does not have a parting in it properly, like plucked out parting. And she's like, and the hair is not straightened. And I was like, sorry, I didn't know. Anyways, what should I do? I'm not gonna do baby hairs. I love a good wig that you don't have to do baby hairs. Well, actually, I'm lying. Do you guys see how messy I am? Like, why did the glue get so far? I put some in my hair too, just a little bit. And then I will like mold it, make sure this is centered. This get ready with me shouldn't be long at all because summer is my favorite season, of course. I'm such a summer girl. But one thing I will admit is I love how there's different season changes. It just makes life a little bit more interesting. I think it makes it more fun, something to look forward to. Oh. Just going in with my hot comb. I don't know about you guys, but I like fall because I like the colors of fall, the atmosphere, all the many holidays that are in the fall season, the decorating. Ah! I can't wait till I own my house and I can do certain things. Yeah, I really like fall. Fall season is a whole entire vibe. Okay, I think we're just gonna straighten this hair. That's all we're gonna do for the top, but you just wanna make sure that it's flat. Some things that I do during the fall season is I will go to a pumpkin patch. I will do a corn maze. We'll go and have some like apple cider, some alcoholic drinks that are fall related. We would go watch like someone performing at, it's like a fall, it's not a fall festival, but it's a fall pumpkin patch. If you guys go to a fall pumpkin patch, they usually will have haystacks and then they'll have a corn maze, pumpkin patch, one of those rides that you go on the, oh my god, it's not coming to me. I'll put a picture and stuff, but you'll go on one of those rides, sit on it, and they'll bring you through the corn areas. See some very cool pumpkins and big pumpkins, small ones that look the same, ones that look different. So it's really cool. We saw some people performing on a banjo and like it's a nice vibe, and you can wear like cute mock turtlenecks because you know turtlenecks is for winter. Fall festivities, I like it. The straightening shouldn't take that long. As I told you, this is a really quick install because I don't do baby hairs or anything. I love the color, but I'm wondering if it's more of a winter color. You guys see the difference once it's straightened? It took me a while to get used to this straightener. At the beginning, I didn't like it. But this part here at the top gets so hot. Like, don't even think about putting your hands anywhere near it. You know, I like getting as well fall scents from a lot of stores, like fall fragrances, fall body sprays. I would say fall hand washes, like the smells of apple cider, cinnamon, pumpkin. Oh, I love pumpkin pie. I love apple pie. I love any type of pie. I think my favorite parts about pies are the crust. And then there's Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving if you don't have family or you don't care for your family. So it's all really fun. I was going to do a brown for this like get ready with me, but I was like, I already did a brown the other day and I didn't like how it turned out. So, but I do like this wig. For falls, I think about like straight hair. Fall and winter, I think about straight hair. I think about very blown out curls. I think about big hair. I think about deeper colors, darker colors. When we talk about makeup, it's the same thing, like deeper, darker makeup. Clothing gets a little bit longer but lighter. Winter is longer and heavier, but yeah, you see it's getting straighter compared to this side. You guys can subscribe to my channel for some Halloween content too, and follow me on all socials at Annesha Adams. Okay, we're done with straightening. I just have to hot comb right there. We're gonna go into makeup now. I wanna do something like fun and cool for makeup. I wanna actually do eyeshadow today. I haven't done eyeshadow in the longest time. Do you guys see that? A frontal in, you can just do this thing where you can pin back, leave some front hair out, and then pin back it like that. Okay, now we're gonna do makeup. We're just gonna pin back the hair out the face. I go in with primer as always. And I always go with primer first so it can set in while I do my eyebrows, since Well, if you're someone who takes a while on your eyebrows, this would be a good tip. So the primer actually has time to set into your skin correctly. Now I'm gonna go in with doing my eyebrows. And this makeup look is gonna be really simple with color. Sometimes when I do my eyebrows too fast after putting on primer, it makes my brows slippery. Oh, this might be too late. I feel like for fall, a lot of people don't realize, like a lot of people who just are on social media a lot, they don't realize there's more fall movies than Gilmore Girls to watch. And I'm not talking about Halloween films, like actual fall. Almost a lot of series have like a fall episode, or they have fall episodes, and some TV shows are just based on fall, like based in the fall. You guys have any good fall series recommendations? Or fall TV shows? Please comment them. I save Halloween movies for October, but outside of October, like for November and for September, we want fall. In early fall, you will still have your summer color, because I feel like September is like still the transition month, and then you'll start going into your cooler shades, and then in the winter you'll have your winter foundation shade. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear. It's amazing. It's so good. Saying this foundation is my top foundation from the drugstore. We're going to go in with concealer. This is like the same typical routine. If you guys want to watch my everyday simple makeup routine that I like wearing, the older I get, I'm just not really caring for makeup like that. You guys will like this. Pressing it in. I put concealer on my lips because I need to go and do something to my lips to take off the dark parts that I peel the skin off all the time on. So while that's sitting in, we're gonna go in with a lighter color, and we're just gonna put it on. Okay, next you want to go in is with your, I'm going to go in with Black Opal. I'm going to use this as my, how would you call it, my bronzing. I have to try and add color. I wish I had blush though. That's the only thing I wish I had. Okay, and then after that, I always go in with setting my, I use this. This is the, listen, this whole routine makes your makeup last forever. Like I have got my routine hat down. So we're pressing it in. We're not swiping. We're pressing all the lighter places. Okay, what I'm gonna do is get a brush, and we're gonna just set under here because we're about to do our eye. They have a whole mirror, and I did not know they have a whole mirror and they provide a sponge for you. That's crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with baking, and then we're gonna have it sit for a bit. So this is the Huda Beauty. I wonder if I should go a little bit more bronzier. City bronzer. I wonder if I'm bronzy enough, or should I add more bronzer? Because the Ace Beauty palette that I have here, do you see how much more deeper this is? I'm gonna get another color in the same exact palette, and I'm just gonna lightly. Okay, so I have like a few palettes here. There's a brown in this palette that I want to use. Going with this brown, and we're gonna use it on our, oh, this is pigmented. I'm just gonna tap it in. So we're just gonna brush this out, fluff it out. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of black. This is the Makeup Revolution palette. Like literally a little bit, and we're just gonna, hold on, I can't really see because these lashes. Just the outer, lightly. Okay. I don't know what color to do my lips. I have these two colors here, but we need to swatch them. What? You know what? I remember. And then there's this one here. I think I might do this brown. I don't think I want purple. Okay, there's this red here, and it's kind of calling my name. I don't know if I should put it underneath the eye. I think I should. So I think I'm gonna do this color. This is from the Juvia's Place palette. I just want some color this fall. This is like a burgundy. Oh, cute. That's not too bad. Okay, so I just kind of fix. Well, how am I forgetting? Let's brush off the excess if there's any left. My Milani. And then we can go in with our under eye. Maybe I should get some waterproof mascara for my lower lashes. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color called Cabernet. I feel like wearing lip colors is not a thing anymore. It's all about like lining your lips and then putting a gloss, and then yeah. Okay, let's do our hair now. This is how the makeup looks. So this is how it looks for makeup. This is the hair. You guys let me know if you're liking this video so far. It's looking cute. I was kind of scared of wearing a lip color because I'm like, it's not even the in thing to wear a lip color anymore. But this looks nice. Let me know what you guys think. Full. Okay, let's go and put on an outfit. I'm back. We're gonna pick out an outfit. I think I have an idea of what I want to wear. So I have these like bodysuits. This one is much more tighter. It goes across like that on the sleeve. And it's very tight and it's brown. So I think this might actually be cute to wear. And then I have this one. It's similar, but it's just like a cross. And it's straight black. The only thing is, if I wear this, I want to put like a top over it. And if I wear this one, I do kind of, I think, want to put a top over it. I don't know. Let's see if I can find a top that I can put over that. Okay, I have this, but it's pink. I don't know if it'll match with my makeup. So this is like the crop one. So it would be cropped. It'll be cropped to here, and then the rest of the body would be the bodysuit. But what do you guys think? Is it giving fall? So I would just wear this with this. This is like regular everyday. I don't really want to dress up like that. This. Ooh, I kind of like this. Oops, I can pair the black with this. Let's do the brown and leave it at the brown. Okay, I changed. Okay. Okay, so I have two things. I feel like this is like, it's a nice fall color, but I still need to like add more to it. I feel like it's just too plain. So I have this like pullover that I can wear with it, but the gold is not really giving like fall. But I have this, and I saw a style that people do where, let's see if I can, this broke. Try to make it like crops. I see them go like this, and then I think you only put it on halfway. And I close with my makeup. There we go. Oh, I did it good. Cause I was like, I know I saw it somewhere, cause I thought it was too plain. Oh, see, this is new too. This whole outfit is from Shein. Let's see how the back looks. It looks like a hoodie at the back, but yeah. So I think this looks a little bit more presentable to wear. You guys let me know what you guys think, because I felt like it was just plain. Like it wasn't giving like full fall-esque vibes. This whole outfit is from Shein. Oh, do you know what we need? Oh, I don't have any tall white socks. Let me see where this can go. Yeah, this is too low. I have these two like really cheap black socks. You get them at Walmart. I feel like white would look better. But yeah, overall, I like how this came out. I'm actually shocked. This came out way better than I even expected at all. Guys, let me know what you guys think down below. You know, some accessories might look a little bit nice on here too. I will link similar videos on the screen so you guys can watch. Subscribe to me for more videos. Follow me on all socials at Annesha Adams.